Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about past continuous. Okay, past continuous means something was happening in the past. Okay, something was going on before speaking time. Okay, before speaking time means now I am speaking. Okay, now I am speaking. But need to remember that if now I am speaking, but I am telling you something was happening in a certain time in past. Now not in a past. So that will be considered for past continuous. Okay, there are some definition that is written by Ren Martin. Okay, Ren and Martin, or I would like to copy over the blackboard. So just I will read you. The past continuous is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. The time of the action may or may not be indicated. We do not know the particular time when the action started, okay, and when it will be end. But about which period we are discussing, about which past period we are discussing, that time the action was going on. That may be before 10 years, that may be before 5 months, or that may be before some hours. So, as in the last, we have some examples. We were listening to the radio all evening. It was getting darker. The light went out while I was reading. When I saw him, he was playing chess. Okay, so there are single sentence and there are double sentence. When we add here double sentence, first sentence that mostly would be past indefinite. Then after we will continue to write that past continuous. Okay, past indefinite and past continuous mixed. Okay, while I was studying, the light went. While I was studying, the light went. Okay, the light went. Okay, so now let's begin to sentence building. Okay, before sentence building, we need to understand about the helping verb. We need to understand about the helping verb. So, what about the helping verb? Was, for, I, he, she, it, and singular. And singular. Then where. Okay. We, you, they, and plural subject. Plural subject, singular subject. Need to understand the use of a helping verb. Then we can make sentences. So, with very fast, I will write some sentences of past, okay, continuous with positive, negative, and interrogative. So, first of all, I will make a positive, and I will change that into negative. Then the same sentence will be changed into interrogative and interrogative negative. So I will write over here some sentences. Just you have to look it very carefully. You were. So first of all, to make a positive. So first of all, we have to take subject, then we have to take a helping verb, okay, then we have to take verb 1, ing, then object or complement, object and or complement, according to the requirement or according to the needs. Okay, according to the requirement or according to the needs. So, just I am writing some sentence. You are going to school yesterday. Remember, you have to mention the time of past. You have to mention the time of past. Don't forget to mention the time or day or date of past. So you were, again I read you were going to school yesterday. You were going to school yesterday. Okay, yesterday. And mother was preparing our breakfast. Mother was preparing breakfast in the morning. Okay. Now you see that this is positive sentence. This is a positive sentence. The children were playing. The children were playing in the evening. Okay. So according to this way, we have to put positive. Now how we can make negative? You can put here not. That will be automatically after helping verb you put here not, and especially in a third place. So automatically it will be converted into negative. Then we want to make it this form, and here you can add a not. Okay, this is negative. This is negative form. Okay, this is negative form. So now I will tell you about interrogative. Okay. So interrogative is there. Interrogative. Okay. So according to this way, we have to think that. So first of all, we will take a helping verb where you going to school yesterday. Finally, question mark. Was he coming here? Okay, last year. Where you studying? Where you studying? Were you studying? Class 9th. Class 9th. Last year. Okay, these are the examples. So these examples will be converted into interrogative negative. The same sentence will be converted into interrogative negative. But later we will use WH word. Where you, remember third place, not going to school yesterday. Was he not coming to last year? This sentence is a little bit wrong. Was he not coming? Was he not coming here? Was he not coming here last year? Okay. So in this way we will make, and here also a place, third place, you should make not. So according to this way we have to make interrogative and interrogative negative. Just we have to separate the helping verb and put that first position. Okay. So I hope you have understood it very clearly. Now I would like to tell you about WH word. Okay, I would like to tell you about WH word. So how you can see that according to the WH word, where you going yesterday? Okay, where you going yesterday? Okay, what were you doing there? What were you what were you doing last night? And a question mark. If you want to make negative, you can put here not. Okay, some sentences require the not. According to that way, with the WH word also, we can make interrogative and interrogative negative. So I hope you have understood it very clearly. If yet you haven't subscribed this channel, so please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Thank you. May God bless you.